Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of JT Fishing, which I've been thinking about changing that. Thinking about going to maybe Foothills Bassin or Foothill Fishing. I don't know. You guys let me know. Just a lot of JTs, let's just say that. But I'm out actually at Scotts Flat Reservoir, Northern California. They are known for some good smallmouth, so I'll be aiming for some brown fish. For smallmouth, you gotta do some more finesse fishing. I'm gonna be throwing a Ned rig, a nail weight rig, which is the Nico setup. I got small deep diving crankbaits, small jig, pretty much all small stuff. I'll be working the bottom. It is late summer. It's actually Labor Day weekend. I was told the fishing right now has been really tough, so that's not a good start. And boat traffic is probably gonna be really bad. I'm gonna give it a shot. I'm definitely gonna be fishing some more Googan baits this time. I'll be sticking with the Slim Shade, the Rattling Ned. I'll show you guys that. It's an awesome bait. All right, guys, let's get at it. This is the Rattling Ned. It's awesome. It's got these little beaties. They shake. Small mouth candy right here. Just put them on a little mushroom tip like that. Just like that. What are you? Tiny. What's going on, guys? Late morning update. Been fishing for probably 2.5 hours. It's been really tough. I've had one little dinker. That's about it. This lake looks amazing. I mean, there's a bunch of laydowns, there's stumps. I've thrown everything I got at them. Nothing's biting. So let me get back at it. Hopefully I get something and can actually make this a video. Go, baby. Yes. See that? Yes. I'm dying all day for this. Nice largemouth. Sorry, I'm shirtless, guys. 3 pounds, dead on. All right. And that was off a finesse jig with a Kraken craw on the back. Yes. Sexy fish. Looked right in the top of the mouth. Alrighty guys, let me give you a little update on what just happened. I was sight fishing this tree that's laid down here. I'll show you that in a second. But I got snagged. Saw this 3-pounder and like a 4-pounder, and got snagged with my drop shot. Decided to switch over to the jig while I was still snagged because I had those guys in sight. I had this little finesse jig, and I had a Kraken crawl on the back from Guggen Baits. Saw them starting to swim off, just kind of cast where I thought they were heading, and bam, when I was reeling them in, he actually got snagged up on my other line, but I got him out. Yeah, right there, that made my day. Let's try to get another. Alright guys, another little guy here. It's only about pound and a half, maybe. Getting back in the water. Came on a Nico rig, Senko, wacky rig style. And I got a little nail weight in the end there. Alrighty guys, so I'm back at home now. The bite was super tough. At first I tried to do the main lake. I was looking for smallmouth, so I was fishing small finesse baits. I was trying between 20 to like 30 plus feet of water. I tried to even offshore a bit, but they just weren't wanting anything I had. The lake was actually really mellow in the morning, but once the boat traffic picked up, I decided to head back into a creek, and that's actually where I snagged that 3-pounder. That guy pretty much made my day. It was a tough bite before that. I got that one tiny one out on the main lake, but other than that, there was nothing. Then after I got that 3-pounder, I decided to head up creek a little bit more. Didn't get any more bites. Decided to just fish it on my way back out, and the tree right next to the one I got 3-pounder on is where I got that last fish. It was about 1.5 pounds. But it was a good way to end the day. Just 2 largemouth, and I don't know what that other one was on the little lake, or the main lake, that little fish. But just the 3 fish total. So slow day, but still fun. If you guys like the video, hit the like button, the subscribe button. Yeah, so I'll try to be putting out videos about once a week. I don't know how long that's gonna last because I got a newborn on the way. Yeah, I'm gonna try to fish as much as I can, guys. See you next time.